Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link.
Oh, what? Hello there! I see you're here to catch fish with me. Well, let's go. I'm hoping to catch me a Glowsquid. Oh, I got something! Whoa, look at that! A Glowsquid! The only thing that's better than having a Glowsquid is drawing one! Let's do it!
I got my glasses on. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today we're drawing, guess what? A Glowsquid. That's right. Instead of this little quick scribble, we're going to draw a three-dimensional Glowsquid straight from Minecraft. You don't have to get your fishing poles. You don't have to go catching one. We're going to draw one. So, get your three... Oh, I hear it. You hear that? That's the sound for new merch. That's right, we got new merch. Check it down below. Get yourself a cool three-piece t-shirt. And speaking of three-piece, let's get them out. Our paper, pen, and a pencil. Hope you have an eraser as well. I have my eraser all ready to go. And let's get started. But we got to turn our paper which way? Which way are we turning it? Let's turn it portrait or up and down. Right, folks. So once you've got your paper turned portrait or up and down, we're going to go and draw a nice... a nice big rectangle. At least we hope it's going to be a rectangle. All right.
Watch you draw a triangle.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, that would be me. Drawing a triangle instead of a rectangle. So, you guys are using your pencils, I hope, right? We're going to start off with pencils.
Paper towels.
Oh! Paper towels. Okay. So, as you can see, my rectangle is almost a square. And that's kind of what we want. We want a rectangle that's almost a square, but not quite. All right. Let's do that. All right. Once you got your beautiful rectangle, we're going to go to each corner and we're going to add a square. Look at that. 4 squares, just like that. We're going to do a lot of squares. You know why? Because we're in Minecraft mode. Here we go. We're going to go in the corner of each of these squares and put a little baby square. Oh, so cute. Little baby squares in each of the corners. All right, once you have those baby squares, you're now going to erase the little piece like that. And you made some decoration now. Now we're going to connect all 4 of these little puzzle shapes with a long line, almost like you're making these long rectangles. Whoa, I want to tell you what's going on the other side of this camera right now. We're going to add in the big old eyeballs. That's right, they're big eyeballs. So we're going to go to each side, and we're not actually going to use the magic T. We're just going to eyeball it. We're going to make these large... Testing me, man. I'm not supposed to say something, and I kind of want to. So we got a big rectangle right here, and this rectangle over here is going to be a little bit higher up. Like that. So it's uneven, but it's uneven on purpose. Then we're going to draw a line going across each one, so it looks like we just gave him some eyebrows. And then, right down here, we're going to draw a square. All right. Now we got his face. Let's go ahead and make his, we're going to do a side. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to the tippy top of here, and we're going to shoot down a line just like that. And we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And what did we just do? What kind of lines are these? These are parallel lines because they are 2 lines that are following the same path, but they don't meet. But now we're going to make them connect. So we're going to draw a straight line that connects them. Now it looks like a goo line. All right, now that you got your goo line, your straight line, now we're going to make another. We're going to actually just follow this. We're going to be like a little race car, and we're going to follow the path, and we're going to go across, and we're going to go down. We're basically following this little shape that we made here. And yours will probably look better than mine. All right. Once you got that shape, we're going to go down here to the tentacles, and we're going to just make a nice big, long rectangle. Just like that. All right. I'm going to actually make mine a little bit longer. Okay. Maybe I should have left it the way it was. All right, there we go. Now we're going to make two more rectangles. And these are going to be shooting from the very edge side. And we're just going to go shoot one down there, just like that. Let's start with some lines, right? And then we're going to just make a line right next to it and then connect it. So we made a nice rectangle, basically. A sideways rectangle, really. We're going to do the same thing on this side, except for we're going to go this direction, just like that. Nice big line, just shooting down, drilling into the ground. And then we're going to make another line, following it, another parallel line. We are into the parallel line universe. 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 We are into the 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 parallel line universe. Today. And we're just going to connect it with a line like that. Again, I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. All right. Once you did that, we're going to make another line, and we're going to follow each of these rectangles, just like that. Yeah. Except for this line's going to go a little bit longer past. We're going to make a line that goes a little bit past this, and we're going to do the same thing on here. It's like a missile or something. Just shoot right past there. All right. I gotta keep making sure that I'm not going out of. I want to make sure I still have camera room here. So now that you got your two lines that are past these tentacles, we're actually going to connect them now, and we're just going to make a line that goes from the corner of this to that one, and the same as that. We're going to connect it, and then we're going to just I'm all blubbered out now. We're going to make a little what do you call that? A right angle. A right angle like that. We're going to do the same thing here, another right angle. There you go. All right. All right, now the squid is coming to life here. Now that you've got the three main tentacles, now we can go ahead and we're going to go from this line. Use your pencil real lightly, and we're just going to go straight across. We're going to go, if it's easiest, you can go right through everything. Let's just go straight across. We're going to follow this all the way. We're going to keep following it. And we're going to stop once we hit this leg or this tentacle. Now we're going to erase everything that went on top of our thing, and now we have this beautiful line that goes all the way across our squid. Okay, now we can get the back part, and we're going to do two more rectangles. So let's just start with a line, and this line is going to go right in between the two main tentacles. We're going to do the same thing on this side, but first let's finish this one. We're going to just do that line there, and then we're going to do another line, follows it, just like that. And then, of course, what are we going to do? We're going to connect it. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Start with a line, slanty line that goes right between these two tentacles, just like that. Then we're going to do a parallel line, following it right down. and then connect it. Now we could stop there, but we're not going to. We are actually going to draw another smaller line, or same size line, just a little bit past this tentacle. We're going to follow it down. And this time, we are not going to make it longer, we're going to make it shorter. We're going to make it shorter this time. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to follow it. It's right next to that rectangle. We're going to follow it, but it's going to be, you guessed it, shorter. Now that we got these two lines, we're going to connect the edge of these rectangles and just with a slanty line going up to that shorter line. Made mine a little... It's kind of hard to do this on a board. There you go. Shorter. Okay. Now you've got your glow squid. We're gonna give him some feet real quick. All we're gonna do is we're gonna look at this line here, go up a little ways, and do another one just like that. And then we're gonna look at this line here, that's slanty like this. We're gonna go right up a little ways and do another one like that. We're gonna do the same thing up on this one. We're gonna look at this line as a slant. It's a straight across. We're gonna do another straight across line like this. We're gonna look at this line. It's kind of shooting straight upwards. We're gonna do an upwards line right there. This one, we're just gonna do a straight line right across. This one over here, another straight line right across. Look at this line. It's slanting up towards that way. Don't put the arrow. And then we're gonna do another one like that. Okay. Last one over here. We're going to look at this line. We're going to go up a little ways. Do that line again. This one is shooting down. We're going to shoot this one. All right. We've got his tentacles. And now to finish off our glow squid, we're going to do two squares on this side. And let's draw two. Oh, I'm doing two rectangles. All right. There you go. There you go. We are almost done. This glow squid is in the ocean. And how are we going to do the little bubbles that are in the ocean? Well, Minecraft does these squares like this. I'm going to do one. You do a square. Then you're going to draw a line straight down, a line straight across, and then you're going to make this into super thin rectangle. This is a super thin rectangle. And then you're basically just going to take out everything in the middle. And you have this. These are what the little bubbles look like. If you slowed down Minecraft and saw what the bubbles look like, that's what it would look like. So let's do a couple of those. Square, cross, another square, another cross, and then doop, 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 doop. I'm kind of doing a shortcut real quick because you don't want to wait for me to finish all these. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, there you go. There's your Minecraft squid, glow squid. You guys ink these in, color them up. We have a Facebook page. Send your finished glow squids to our Facebook page. I would love to see them. And I'm sure they're going to look better than this. And we will post your pictures on our Facebook page. We will post them in the community on YouTube. And you guys, thank you so much. We're going to pull, we're going to do a poll. A poll. Oh man, I'm having problems here. I'm having problems. Okay. All right, and we picked out a Gup C. So that's the next one we're gonna draw. Is a Gup C. I'm excited. The gups are fun to draw, and we got a lot of gups requested. So, guys, I will see you next time. Keep on drawing. The more you do, the glowier you'll get. I'm just kidding. The more you do, the better you get. Keep on drawing. Glow Squid out. Do you want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.